Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change cars, adjust cars in Fortnite. To modify cars in Fortnite, click on Locker, then Cars here, and now you can choose sports car of SUV slash truck, and then for each one of them you can change car body by clicking here and choosing one of them. If you have, you can change decal, wheels, trail and boost. Whenever you change one of them, you need to click on equip after clicking on a different one, and that's how you do it. You can do the same for SUV, and to change the primary vehicle from sports car to SUV or the other way, click on the one you want to set as primary vehicle, then click on set primary vehicle. You can choose whether it's sports car, SUV or random. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.